Have you ever found yourself stuck with a car that just won't start? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple and safe process of jump-starting your car battery. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the road, this guide will empower you to handle a dead battery situation with confidence. First things first, you'll need a set of jumper cables and a second vehicle with a working battery. Park the cars close enough for the cables to reach both batteries, but make sure they're not touching. This is crucial to avoid any unwanted sparks or short circuits. Before we connect anything, let's talk safety. Turn off all electrical components in your car, like lights and radios, to conserve power. Now let's get those cables connected. Start by attaching one red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working battery. Next, take a black clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the working battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your car's engine block. This will ground the circuit safely. With everything connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. This will allow your dead battery to charge up. Check if your interior lights come on brightly. If they do, your battery is ready. Now, try starting your car. If it doesn't start immediately, don't worry. Check all connections and give it a few more minutes. Once your car is running, it's time to remove the cables in reverse order. Black from your car, black from the donor car, red from the donor car, and finally red from your car. Keep your engine running for at least 20 minutes to ensure your battery fully recharges. And remember, if this situation happens often, consider investing in a portable power pack so you won't need another vehicle next time. By following these steps carefully, you can safely jumpstart your car and be back on the road in no time. Thank you for joining us today. Drive safe.